All right, I'm gonna go for a ride here in a 2000 Chevrolet Corvette. It's a coupe with the removable target top. I think these cars are the bargain of all sports cars. This is a beautiful car. We're asking $21,900 for it. This one only has 39,000 miles on it. It's a two-owner car. Super nice man I bought it from. Just wasn't using it anymore. He said it never had water on it. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so clean and very, very nice. But it's got the heads-up display. I don't know if you can see that, probably barely in my, because it's daytime. But that's kind of cool. And it's got leather, dual leather powered seats. It's got the chrome alloys. I just put brand new tires on it because they were from 2006. So it shows you how much it was driven. But they kind of get unsafe when they get that old, obviously. So I put brand new tires on it. Feels amazing. But they kind of come standard with power windows and power locks and tilt wheel. This has a telescopic wheel also. Got an antique CD player there, the Bose system. But it's a LS1, 5.7 liter. Feels so nice, feels like a new car. It's got 345 horsepower. I know that's not a lot in today's standards, you know, but it's plenty enough to get you in trouble. It's comfortable. It's got the 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. So on the freeway and everything like that, it feels fantastic. Probably gets pretty good fuel economy. These Corvettes kind of surprise you because it's kind of a smaller car and that transmission makes the difference. And it's an efficient fuel injected engine. So even the dash is like perfect in this car. And it comes with a car cover and all the books, both keys, even some manuals from the dealership when they bought it. So it's complete, it's collector quality. All right, we'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, take a look at this beautiful 2000 Chevrolet Corvette. I can't believe it's 25 years old. It's impeccable. It's collector quality. You know, the paint is amazing. No paint work at all. Everything looks, you know, not even a scratch in it. All the wheels are like new. I put new tires on it. Just always kept clean. The guy said he never put water on it. I'm like, oh my gosh, that amount of time. Interior is black leather, all original, still nice and supple. It's got the removable hardtop. This is actually like a plexiglass see-through blue tint. It has a little cover under it, which I haven't owned one of those before. It's kind of neat, so you don't have the sun blasting through if you don't want to. Although it's never really been that bad. It's got a heads-up display. Just every inch of this car is just so nice. I'll show you the interior. The door panels are perfect. It's got the Bose Sound System, factory system. There's the leather. It's got the Corvette embroidery on the seat, the sport seats. Dual airbags, you know, nice climate control system. His and hers. CD player, you don't see those much anymore. Both keys with the remotes. And I like the analog setup for the gauges. Earlier they had like a digital. It's okay, but they ended up failing over time, so. But power locks, power memory seats, and an automatic transmission. Anybody can drive it. Drives very easy. Beautiful car for not a lot of money. Here's the power plant in the 2000 Corvette. When these engines came out, that LS1, the whole LS series, they're phenomenal engines. Fuel injected. This is a 5.7 liter, 345 horsepower, which is a lot for a little light car. But all stock, not even a cold air intake on this. It's all left original. All the stickers are where they're supposed to be. Even the sound pad, look at that, beautiful. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Nice gauges. Nice and quiet up here. Kind of what you want. Nice and dry. Got the old pop-up style headlights. Remember those? But really clean. And of course they have the tuned exhaust. I think they have stainless steel mufflers too from the factory. Sounds real nice. And with that overdrive transmission, just get on the freeway, go to Vegas, go wherever you want. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to see us in Simi Valley. We're at 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California, 93065. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. I'm sure I'll be the one answering the phone. My name is Rich. Happy to give you the history on this, and got a stack of records and brochures, and we can get it shipped to you if you want, but no disappointments with this car. Thanks for watching.